What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make money with a internet browser. So the internet browser is how you get onto the internet, and a lot of people use Chrome, Safari, Firefox. Well, this one today you're going to get paid for, and it's called Brave. The link will be in the description, so you can go ahead and check that out. So um, basically you get paid in crypto, and you can exchange your crypto when you get enough to exchange. So I have 20 BAT, so that's what they call it, is BAT, and it's a form of crypto, and you can exchange it for a set price. So right now it's pretty low, so it's like 54 cents per BAT, and it was as high as maybe triple that. So it used to be triple that in April. So what you want to do is, crypto, so you want to wait till it gets as high as it can and then cash out. But I'm just saving it up and eventually I'll cash out. So I got 21 bats. 21 bat. And all you do is just use the browser. I mean, you don't have to do anything special, and you get paid per month. Um, so monthly, I haven't cashed out yet. I've just been saving it and saving it. So it seems like on the 7th you get paid per month. Um, let's see how much I've been getting per month. So last month they sent me it twice, and then this month they sent me it already. So like it's give or take. It's really how much you use it, and the price will go up and down. And so it's been double this before. So no, actually triple that. So it does go up and down. And all you do is just use the internet browser, and they'll pay you in crypto. And then once you feel comfortable, you can cash it out. So it does work for Windows operating system, Mac, Intel, um, Linux. So the link will be in the description to download. And this is another site that I use for it. It's called Uphold, and you send the crypto to your Uphold account, and this is where you can monitor it and cash it out. But if you guys have any questions, leave a comment, and if you could, guys, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, guys.